own ship's data. This field is always present and located at the bottom left corner of the radar screen. It displays the own ship's data. Latitude and longitude position. When a GPS, or another navigation positioning aid, is present, the position, time, course and speed data are taken from this unit. Otherwise the position is dead reckoning, calculated from the own ship's data. The adjacent text indicates what means the position data is derived. Time of day. Hour, minute, second, is taken from the ship's clock. Activate UTC button to displaying UTC time. The button is then highlighted. Otherwise local time LMT is displayed. Date. Day of the year. Day, month, year. The data is derived from the settings in the exercise. Course. In degrees, depending on position aid used, the ship's course is presented as COG or SOG. Speed. In knots. Depending on position aid used, the speed is presented as COG or SOG. Depth below keel is displayed when activated, and when an echo sounder is included in the bridge instrumentation. Click and hold System Alarm to acknowledge the alert, and read a short description of the cause above the button. If all alerts are acknowledged, the flashing stops, and the alarm sound are silenced. The following system alarms are present. Auto tracking maximum 50 targets. Fixed target moving. Target XX. Trying to track outside limits. Trial maneuver second time. Fixed target lost. Target XX. No GPS navigator interfaced. No LoRaMC navigator interfaced. Decca navigator interface lost. Echo sounder interface lost. Missing trigger and antenna pulses. Deactivating the data sailing. No heading, unstabilized display. No Decca navigator interfaced. No echo sounder interfaced. No gyro signal. Map element table full. No such map element. GPS navigator interface lost. LoRaMC navigator interface lost. Go to next waypoint. Outside port fairway. Outside port fairway. This function is not installed. When the tracking function of a target fails, lost target will flash, and the warning is repeated at the bottom line of the actual target data fields. A flashing diamond is presented on the PPI, where the target was lost. Click on Target Lost or Cease Track to delete the target and acknowledge the alarm. When in auto acquire mode and a new target enters the auto tracked zone, a warning is indicated by a flashing new target. Acknowledge the alarm by clicking the button. See also Manual Acquire. When a target comes within the set CPA or TCPA limit, a collision warning is given, and collision warning button starts flashing. The warning is repeated at the bottom line of the target data fields. Acknowledge the alarm by pressing the button. This field is located at the upper left corner of the radar screen. It shows with large and easy readable figures the own ship heading and speed, and their selected sensor sources, for example, Gyro 1 and Log 1. Heading sensors may be Gyro 1, Gyro 2, or magnetic compass, or the heading can be set manually. Log sensors may be Log 1, Log 2, or the speed can be manually set. Vector length. OS and target course, and speed vector from 3 to 30 minutes. CPA limit. Maximum CPA warning limit, for alarm to be activated, from 0.1 to 12 nautical mile. TCPA limit. Maximum TCPA warning limit, for alarm to be activated, from 1 to 90 minutes. The marker data displays the position of the marker in latitude-longitude, as well as the bearing and range, from the own ship to the marker on the PPI. When activated, the pointing device marker turns into a pencil when inside the PPI, and lines can be drawn simulating a pencil, used for manual plotting. All lines drawn with the pencil marker are erased. A dotted line is displayed from the PPI center to the marker, as long as it moves within the PPI. The line moves with the marker. The PPI can be switched to a standby modus, where the radar picture is turned off, and the Kongsberg logo is displayed. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and click the notification bell, for you will be updated for our next upcoming video.